Okay, the billet's right up, ready, supposed to be in at temperature. I'm gonna go grab it, throw it in the press, and kind of get that first weld set. Kind of see the layers in there showing up on that scale, but there's kind of our first initial weld. Throw it back in the fire, get it up to temp again, and keep repeating that process. Have 100 layers through here now. It's a really nice tight forge weld. I'm going to start drawing it out lengthwise now. Just kind of keep refining it, kind of keep it square, try and get this drawn out again to about 12 1/4 inches, give or take. A little excess on the ends to cut off. Not much longer. That's about the 4th time in there. I'm not keeping count as good as I should, but looks like we're at about 7 inches. So little ways to go yet, but it's coming along quickly. Whole scale up there. That's the scale I was talking about that gets built up on there when you pull it out of the fire, and then when you go to press it, that scale just gets pressed in there. That's what takes so long to grind out. This stuff's really, really hard. There we go, 100 layers there. Got a 9 inches now, so just a little bit more to go. All right, I'm at 9 inches on the billet, and I don't think the square dies are going to help me get out another 3 inches very easily, so I'm going to put those drawing dies on. These will help me get more of the length out of it. You can see they're kind of rounded, and that'll increase the pressure when those two come together, like so. So here you can see a much smaller areas coming into contact, much higher force on there, and that'll really pinch into that billet and help draw that distance out a lot better. go, another couple of inches. We're really close. Just a little bit more to go. I'll do that one more time on this. Try to keep kind of hit the higher spots and try and get another couple inches out of it, and then I'll take this back off and use the flat one just to get it all trued up. There. So now I'm just gonna put it back in a forge, let it get hot again, take these off, and kind of get all these little ripples out of there, kind of smooth it up with the flat dies. Flat surface there. See, it's got a little curve to it. I'm going to take it over to the anvil, throw it in the forge, get it a little warmer, and straighten it out on the anvil. Just get any little pieces, little high spots and stuff like that out. Make sure it's good and straight for when we go to cut and restack it again. Alright, back at the anvil, got the steel in the forge. I'm going to pull it out and I'm just going to straighten it up, square it up where it needs to be. See, we've got a bit of a bow, so. Kind of counterintuitive, but it's funny on a hot piece of steel. If it's bent and you hit it here, it'll actually bend the opposite direction. It's kind of funny. It takes a little getting used to when you're starting out. But that is pretty straight and square. Now we're going to put it back in the forge, let it we did before. I don't know if you can see the layers on there. But there's the 100 layers. So see the scale starting to build up on it. We'll get all that scale will come off. That scale there, you can see. How it just kind of breaks off. It's real nice and easy to get off when it's hot, but when it's cooling like this, you'll hear it creak, crack, and pop. But it's hot. Okay. Thanks for watching. Oh, so getting close. I want to try and figure out which pattern. Should I do the twist or something else? Raindrop, ladder pattern. Put some comments down below. Tell me what pattern you think you'd like to see, and go from there. Thanks again.